Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sprite move using arrow keys. This is our sprite and we're going to make this move using arrow keys. First, go to the events category and take out a when green flag clicked block. Then go to control and take out a forever loop. Put 4 if-then loops inside the forever loop. Then go to motion and take out 2 change x by blocks and 2 change y by blocks. Take the change y by blocks and put them in the first 2 if-then loops. Then take the change x by blocks and put them in the 2 last if-then loops. Then go to sensing and take out 4 key space press blocks. Put all of the space key press blocks inside the if-then loops. We want it to move using arrow keys, so set the first one to up arrow, the second one to down arrow, the third one to right arrow, and the last one to left arrow. Then set the first one to 5, and the second one to -5, and the third one to 5, and then the last one to -5. Now your sprite can move using the arrow keys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.